I know what some of you are thinking, particularly my American friends. Octopus. But, as a Sicilian man, it's almost an obligation to slay the kraken and save the damsel, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We're eating octopus. Obviously, we're going to want octopus, and there are many different kinds you can get, but in this case, I purchased smaller ones. You can get big ones. Obviously, there's so many, and you can get them at a lot of Asian supermarkets, Italian supermarkets. Do be very careful when you purchase them to not purchase any that are too dark or too pink in color. That means they're old. So stick with a lighter colored octopus. Everything else, celery, parsley, garlic, we're going to put that into the salad. Lemon we'll squeeze on afterwards. We'll season with salt and pepper, and obviously it's a salad, so we're going to have plenty of olive oil in it. We want to start by cleaning them. In this case, with 3 pounds, it did take about half an hour, but get your water going, just a medium heat, and we want to clean off the exterior first, so that's what I'm doing here. Then I take a knife and kind of cut it in half right at the head. I'm going to check right underneath here because there could be a beak in the middle. It looks like a piece of corn. If so, squeeze it out. Otherwise, we're good here in this case. Now with the head, I like to cut this open because there's always some funk in there. Yes, American friends, stop being squeamish and get in there. You can see I'm just going to dig my finger in and pull, and it comes right off, and it's actually pretty easy to clean. Once I do, I've got nothing but delicious octopus ready, and I pop it in. Boil water while you're prepping. So look, can you see it? Okay, I put them into boiling water and they very quickly curled up. Yeah. And I mean, they look like they cooked instantly, so I can't tell. So they have to, the water has to boil? So they're still raw. How long do I need to cook them for?
I say
a little less than 10 minutes? Okay. But, sorry, 10 minutes from when it starts boiling? Okay, but again, in order. I wait for this to boil. Once it boils, about 10 minutes. See. Okay. So wait 10 minutes after it boils, then stick the fork in it. When you prepare your garlic, your celery, your parsley, for the most part they're going to be thick cuts, except for the parsley. So garlic, we want big texture. Same thing for your celery, about the size of a fingernail. Good texture when you're biting into it for the salad. Parsley, finely mince it. Once the octopus is cooked, we're going to strain it. There's really no reason to hold this other than it looks really cool.
I don't know what you're doing to me.
You should taste them, yummy.
Oh no.
Why not?
Ugh.
Hey.
Well,
yeah, even worse.
Hey, Mom.
Although tarantulas don't smell as bad, I don't think.
No.
You never know.
You never know.
These smell great.
All right, I'm going to flip it over so you can see what he's doing.
Okay.
So, Mom?
Yeah.
So, I am going to put the actual octopus in. So, hang on. All right.
Did you test if they're tender?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, with the fork.
Okay.
All right. So now, so what about these now? I've got the parsley, the celery, and the garlic. Do I just put them in? Yes, they're hot.
Let it cool off a little bit, John.
So that's what we did. We waited for everything to cool down and started to put all the ingredients together, starting with the olive oil, some of the garlic, Get a little bit out there. Celery. And you see how these are bite-sized? They're really nice. They're going to taste great in the salad. And the parsley. What you don't see is I also put the salt in here. Mom yelled at me and said this is the appropriate time to do it, not later on after everything's had time to marinate. And then we mix everything together. Just get in there and make sure everything is evenly mixed, and then we're going to cover it. When you cover it, make sure that you leave a little hole on the top. Mom said it needs to breathe, so you'll notice the bottom right-hand corner, there's kind of a little triangle how I put the plastic wrap on it. You could do this overnight, you could do this throughout the day, but you want it to kind of sit for about 6 to 8 hours to really take in all those flavors. And that's it. When you're done, you have a very simple salad that you pull together that could really freak your American friends out or deeply please your Sicilian friends. Either way, you're going to be in for a great tasting dish. And this is the time to add lemon. Go ahead and squeeze the lemon on there. You can add red pepper, black pepper, more salt. Anything you add, it's yours. So enjoy this salad.